All right, so I went racing last week. I did 23 laps around Motorsports Ranch, Houston at 2.5 miles per lap. That's a shit ton of miles. And I knew my brakes were already low when I went down, but yeah, that's what I came up with. Reckless, but it was a fun day. I actually skipped on 9 laps of racing for the last session because I knew my brakes were done. Brake sensors are toast, and I'm gonna change it now. Harbor Freight doesn't have a recall on their jacks yet, but we'll find out. Jack stands are from AutoZone Duralast. Replacement brake pads. That's the part number you're looking for if you're gonna buy from Mercedes. And that's what they look like. Apparently our brakes are Brembos.
Alright, baby.
Part number on there. My GLC. Brakes are also toast on this side. Don't judge me. That's why I'm replacing them now. So Mercedes has 2 different sensors for the front, it seems. I just pulled the black one from the right, so that's correct. When you shop at the dealership, they really didn't tell me which was right or left. And also when I looked online on one of those Mercedes direct parts website, it also wasn't clear what was left and what was right. Everything was listed with every side of the car, front, left, right, rear. But from what I've pulled so far, the black one seems to be for the right. Hopefully, if I'm lucky, the left one would be the blue one. If I am not, I will have to go back to the dealership in the morning to get another black one for the front. We'll provide updates after. So black right front. All right, it looks like there is no wear indicator on the left side, so the blue one must be for the rear then. I'm not changing the rear today, but at least I have that indicator handy for when those go down. But again, you see how much I wore the brakes down, so yeah, it's been fun.